Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. The countdown has officially begun, and all eyes are on Apple as it prepares to unveil the much-anticipated iPhone 17 lineup. As September draws near, the tech community is buzzing with credible leaks, insider reports, and concept revelations that point toward one of the most innovative upgrades Apple has ever attempted. From significant structural redesigns to performance leaps and cutting-edge camera enhancements, this year's models promise a major shift in the iPhone's legacy. Let's break down everything we know so far. From the powerful Pro editions to the razor-thin iPhone 17 Air, so you're fully updated before Apple takes the stage. iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. Premium innovation refined. At the top of the lineup, Apple is reportedly moving away from titanium in favor of a robust aluminum unibody frame. This change not only reduces weight, but also provides a smooth, uninterrupted exterior with improved resistance to wear and tear. The sleeker body gives the Pro models a futuristic vibe, hinting at a minimalist design philosophy moving forward. Perhaps one of the most intriguing updates is the new wireless charging architecture. A large circular glass insert on the back is expected to house the updated MagSafe module. But this isn't just aesthetic. The redesigned magnetic array reportedly supports 2.5W wireless charging via the Qi 2.2 standard, outpacing the previous 15 West maximum. Apple could also introduce reverse wireless charging, allowing users to power accessories like AirPods or another phone by placing them on the back of the device. Camera upgrades continue to impress. Sources say that the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max will utilize 3 advanced 4.8MP sensors across wide-angle, ultra-wide, and zoom lenses. These are engineered for sharper detail, improved low-light performance, and digital zoom capabilities that rival even DSLR quality. The camera module is expected to blend more naturally into the body, thanks to a redesigned aluminum camera bar and protective glass overlays only on the lens tips. Up front, the dynamic island remains but gets even smaller, and audio quality may be enhanced thanks to a wider top earpiece. Scratch-resistant coatings and anti-reflective glass treatments on the display may further elevate the user experience, especially in direct sunlight. Under the hood, the A19 Pro chip is expected to power everything paired with a larger battery, exceeding 5,000 mAh, and a vapor chamber cooling system for enhanced thermal regulation. This means better performance for gamers, multitaskers, and content creators without compromising on heat control. iPhone 17 Air, the thinnest iPhone in history. A major surprise this year could come from Apple's bold move to replace the Plus model with a new design dubbed the iPhone 17 Air. This device is all about minimalism and portability. At just 5 to 6 millimeters thick, it's being hailed as the slimmest iPhone ever developed, without sacrificing display quality or style. Leaks suggest the iPhone 17 Air will feature a 6.6-inch OLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring crisp visuals and seamless animations. Built using ultra-lightweight materials, the Air variant could arrive in serene colors like pastel gold, matte graphite, cloud white, and soft sky blue, giving it a fashionable edge alongside its futuristic form. Though the device has only one rear-facing 4.8MP sensor, Apple is said to be optimizing the software to deliver image processing comparable to dual-lens systems. The camera sits inside a raised horizontal bar, made of aluminum, keeping the aesthetic clean and symmetrical. One of the more controversial changes? No bottom speaker. Apple may opt for a front-earpiece-only audio system, a daring design decision that has left fans divided. There's no SIM tray anywhere, not even in global markets, marking the full shift to eSIM-only architecture. Inside, the Air runs on the A19 Pro chip, but with a 5-core GPU offering decent performance, albeit slightly behind the Pro variants. It features Apple's C1 modem with 5G sub-6 GHz support, but lacks ultra-wideband capability. Battery life could be this model's Achilles heel. Thin form limits battery capacity, and early reports hint that many users may struggle to reach a full day of usage on a single charge. Apple might include or sell separately a magnetic external battery pack, creating another polarizing discussion among users. iPhone 17. A base model. It doesn't feel basic for those who prefer a balanced approach. Updated tech without the pro pricing. The standard iPhone 17 is shaping up to be a solid, middle ground device. Maintaining a durable glass and aluminum exterior, this version introduces modern performance boosts and smart design refinements. A 6.3-inch OLED panel brings smooth visuals with support for promotion, offering variable refresh rates to enhance both battery life and user interaction. The rear houses a dual-lens camera setup. The front gets a major upgrade with a 24MP selfie camera, perfect for video calls and content creation on the go. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 runs on the standard A19 chip, delivering a fast, energy-efficient experience that's still competitive for daily use and moderate multitasking. Apple may also introduce new colors, such as mint green, lavender, sky blue, and neutral gray. To appeal to a wide audience, this model may not offer all the bells and whistles of the Pro line, but it definitely brings strong value and modern flair to the iPhone ecosystem. When will the iPhone 17 series be announced? Apple typically holds its major iPhone keynote in early September, and this year appears to be no exception. Multiple sources point to a reveal event taking place in the second week of September, likely between Monday the 8th and Wednesday the 10th. Pre-orders should open by the following weekend, with official retail availability pegged for Friday, September 19th. This timeline follows Apple's well-established product release cycle and gives buyers time to choose their ideal model ahead of the holiday season. Final 8. Is the iPhone 17 series Apple's most ambitious yet? If even half of the rumors come true, the iPhone 17 generation could represent one of Apple's biggest leaps since the iPhone X between the powerful Pro devices, the trailblazing Air variant, and the well-rounded base model. Apple seems prepared to cater to a wider spectrum of users than ever before. The Pro line targets professionals and power users, while the Air is designed for those who value style and portability above all. The standard iPhone 17 remains the dependable, affordable choice for most consumers without feeling like a compromise. As always, we'll be covering the launch event, unboxing the new models, and putting them through real-world tests, right? Here on Technology in the Future. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. This is shaping up to be a defining moment in the iPhone timeline, and you won't want to miss it.